So the lesson that I wrote about is an introductory football lesson teaching the rules of the game as well as the different positions. Now, if time permits, at the end of that lesson, I will go through showing the students how to pass a football. If time doesn't permit at the end of this lesson, this will be the first thing we do in the next class period. So I'll teach them to pass a football. There's 5 steps to throwing a football: hand placement, stance, release, finger roll, and follow through. So all these steps added up will make the perfect football throw. Different cues that I will use to tell the students as they're throwing back and forth: 3 fingers, elbows back, focus on target, and leading pass. 3 fingers pertains to the 3 fingers on the laces of the football. Elbows back is getting their elbow back and the football behind their ear to get ready to throw it. Focusing on their target, being able to see the receiver that they're passing to, and leading pass, meaning giving the receiver a leading pass rather than throwing behind them. You want to throw ahead of them. You want to throw to where they're going to be, not where they are. It's important to throw a leading pass to the receivers.